Goa Congress Party leader Amarnath Panjikar demanded apology from Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant for hurting religious sentiment over his comment on Ganesh Chaturthi and the spike in COVID-19 positive cases. Soon after his demands, the BJP Goa spokesperson Datta Prasad Naik replies back to the Congress leader. The BJP Goa state releases press note on 30th August 2020. Here's what it says. Opposers of Prabhu Sri Ram have suddenly become Ganesh Bhakts. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has not said anything that he should apologize. CM has only emphasized on the social distancing norms and use of face mask. I am happy that finally the Hindu in Congress spokesperson Amarnath Panjikar is suddenly alive. They were so busy and engrossed in minority appeasement for the last 72 years that finally they are beginning to wake up. It is a shame that Congress is trying to use religious sentiments for political gains. They stand exposed today. They are the ones who, through Advocate Kapil Sibal, did everything possible to delay the construction of Ram Mandir at Ayodhya and are talking of Hindu sentiments today. During this COVID-19 pandemic, it is important for everyone across religion to maintain social distancing and wear face masks while celebrating all religious activities. Regards, Datta Prasad Naik, BJP spokesperson, Goa State. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.